Hey everyone, welcome back to Toomas Tips. Today I'm going to introduce you to Manus AI, an autonomous AI agent for real task execution. To use Manus AI, you need to have an access code. This system was implemented as there were over 2 million people waiting in line to use this AI tool. Now that the system has changed a little, you still need the access code, but the request gets approved rather quickly. The tool is free to use, but on a sign up you get 1000 free tokens to test it out. This should be enough for around 3 to 4 uses before running out. So let's see how the tool works. I have requested Manus AI to generate a persuasive landing page for a fictional AI-powered energy audit service called AIAgent Tallinn, specifically targeting small and medium-sized businesses in Tallinn. While it is working on the task, I'll tell you more about this AI tool. So, what is Manus AI? While it looks like a typical chatbot, it isn't one. It's an autonomous AI agent that is designed to handle entire workflows from start to finish, so you don't need to go back and forth with your requests. Manus AI launched in early 2005 and supports tasks like data analysis, document generation, web search, and more. All this with almost no human input during execution. Unlike traditional chatbots that give you text responses or ideas, Manus actually does the work, whether that's generating dashboards, writing reports, or planning a schedule. Once you have entered your prompt, you can watch in live action how Manus searches different websites, writes analysis, and more. So let's talk about Manus AI use cases. Some of the use cases include human resources. It helps you automatically rank resumes and exports candidates' data to spreadsheets. Finances. It helps you analyze market data, finds correlations, and builds interactive dashboards. Real estate. Filters listings, calculates affordability, and presents clear reports. Education. You can generate study guides, video outlines, and presentations, even for topics like quantum computing. Business operations. It compares vendors, researches suppliers, and boosts SEO. And personal productivity. You can plan your travel, manage emails, and organize your calendar. And all this is done with just a single well-crafted prompt. Now that we have talked about the use case, let's go through some pros and cons of Manus AI. Some of the pros are autonomous execution. It can finish tasks from start to end, from code to reports. It learns your preferences. Manus remembers previous tasks to improve the future ones. Workflow automation. It breaks down complex tasks and pulls data from different sources. Multiple agents in parallel. It's built for scale, meaning faster, smarter results. Versatile across industries, from HR to education to finance, it adapts well. While Manus brings a lot of positive to the table, the tool isn't perfect. Here are a few downsides to keep in mind. Firstly, output formatting. Some results may need cleanup or polish before going live. Struggles with complexity. Tasks with ambiguous instructions or logic-heavy coding may need human guidance. Cloud dependency, it means you'll need an internet connection, no offline work here. And it's still maturing. Since it launched recently, you might run into occasional bugs or feature gaps. After some time, Manus has finally completed the task. On the side, we could see the whole process happening, where Manus picked the information, what it analyzed, and more. Manus has generated several documents regarding this whole process and broken it down into smaller parts. The landing page has been generated along with the guidelines. Overall, what it has provided is satisfactory, but I'd like to enhance the landing page. I have asked the tool to analyze top 10 landing pages of similar companies and make changes based on these popular pages to make my landing page look more appealing, and to add images where possible. Manus started regenerating the code, and inside Manus you also had the option to add images to a folder, and from there it is able to add them to the landing page. While it's still updating the page, let's talk about how to get the most out of Manus. The tips are following. Be as specific with your prompt as possible. Let Manus handle the heavy lifting. Always review and edit outputs for accuracy, and use it as a collaborator, not a replacement. So, how does Manus AI actually differ from a typical AI chatbot like ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini? Regular chatbots are mostly built for conversation. They give you answers, suggestions, or ideas, but you still have to take action yourself. You are steering the ship the whole time. Manus AI, on the other hand, is like hiring a smart assistant who doesn't just answer your questions, it goes off and completes the entire task for you. It can analyze data, write full reports, build dashboards, and even handle research, all without your babysitting it. It's built with a multi-agent system, meaning there are different components working together behind the scenes to plan, execute, and verify tasks. That's a huge leap from the single agent chatbots we're used to, which mostly respond to input in real time. Another big difference is that Manus works asynchronously in the cloud. You can assign it a task, walk away, and come back to see if it's finished. Whereas chatbots usually need your present, prompting, and guiding them step by step. So in short, regular chatbots assist you with writing or conversation, but Manus AI actually gets stuff done for you independently and at the scale. The landing page is now completed, and I'm rather happy with it. Overall, I personally really like the tool, and I will keep trying it out for more complex tasks that regular chatbots struggle to complete. This was my tutorial on Manus AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Toomas Tips for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.